In this video we will show you how to use the SYMA S107E Helicopter. In the package, you will find a helicopter and other accessories. To use the remote control, you need 4 AA batteries. Before using, please open the battery cover with a screwdriver and install the batteries in the remote control. When use the helicopter for the first time, please fully charge the helicopter. To charge the helicopter, please turn off the helicopter first and connect the USB charging cable to the helicopter, and connect the other end to the power source. The indicator light is off when charging, and turns red when fully charged. It takes about 1 hour to fully charge the battery. Place the helicopter on a level surface. Switch on the power button at the side of the helicopter. All indicator lights on the helicopter will start blinking synchronously. Press the power button on the remote control. The remote light will start blinking. Slowly push the left joystick up and down. When the light on the remote become constant and the lights on the helicopter start blinking in a non-uniform pattern, the signal pairing is successful. The first way to take off the helicopter is to push the left joystick up to start the motor. The blades will start spinning. Then gently push it up again, the helicopter will take off. And push the left joystick down, you can land the helicopter. Another way to take off the helicopter is to use the one-key take-off landing button. After the remote and helicopter are paired, press the one-key take-off button. The helicopter will take off automatically. And press it again, the helicopter will land automatically.